Does your template, so my do-it-yourself kit, does it have moons or any other things in them? All right. To get the moon and the shooting stars and the Milky Way to look good, you don't want to use a stencil or a template. But what I am including in, with anybody that does get a kit, I have 3 bonus videos, and it's those 3 things. It's how to paint a crescent moon. You don't want anything larger than a crescent moon, because it would be like one of these lights I have on right now. So it's got a crescent moon, a shooting star video, and how to do the Milky Way. And it's going to look much better if you do it without the template. So no templates, but yes, some video instructions.